Python is currently stable at version 3.14, and 3.15 is already in the works. Today, I'm giving you an early look at what's coming. Now, this is still in alpha stage, and official release is planned for October this year, and a lot can change before then. But the direction Python is heading, let's talk about it. Just remember, everything I'm covering today is from the current draft. By October, features could be added, modified, or even dropped. So think of this as a sneak peek. The first one, and honestly my favorite, lazy imports. Here's the problem. Every time we start a large Python app, it takes forever to load. Why? It's because Python loads every single import at startup, even the ones we never actually use in that run. Python 3.15 introduces a new keyword, lazy. We write lazy import JSON, and Python doesn't load it immediately. It creates a lightweight proxy and only loads the actual module when we first use it. That way, we'll get a faster startup. Next one is FrozenDict, a brand new built-in type. You know FrozenSet? It's the same idea but for dictionaries. It's an immutable, hashable dictionary. Once we create it, we cannot change it. This means we can use it as a dictionary key, something we straight up couldn't do with a normal dictionary. It's great for config data, constants, or anywhere we need a dictionary that's guaranteed not to be mutated. Third, and this one's a game changer for production developers, the Tachyon profiler. Profiling means figuring out where the code is slow. Old-school profilers track every single function call, which slows the app down just by running. Tachyon is a statistical sampling profiler. It attaches to our running process and captures snapshots with zero overhead. We don't even need to restart the app, and it can sample up to 1 million times per second. Now, the fourth one is unpacking and comprehensions. Before this, if we wanted to flatten multiple lists into one, we'd reach for itertools.chain or write a nested loop. But in future, if this remains, we'll just write this. That's it. It shrinked to one line. It's great, right? And the last and a bonus one, Python 3.15 has smarter error messages. If we hit an attribute error, Python will now actually suggest what you probably meant. Like, did you mean this? Python is lately trying to improve the error messages so that developers get a clear sight while coding. So that's Python 3.15, at least what's on the table right now. Lazy imports, FrozenDict, Tachyon profiler, cleaner comprehensions, better error messages. Python keeps getting better. And that's kind of the whole point. If you found this useful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python goodness, and I'll see you in the next one.